Hello and welcome to the seventh episode of KV Talkies. This is a wonderful, wonderful series where a guest and I talk about anything to do with movies. Please check out the playlist. We have like six episodes already. Just to recap, I think our first episode was about recycling in world cinema with Vishwas Sharma. Then we spoke about Diwar with Rohan Desai. Then we spoke with Hitesh Kavalia, the director of Shubh Mangal, Zada Saudhan. We spoke with him on Rishikesh Mukherjee movies. Then we spoke with Sriti Jha on Guide, then horror as a genre with Sahil Shah, and then poetry in Bollywood with Gopal Dutt. And this is the seventh episode. This is exclusively a members only stream because we feel like every month we should do a nice exclusive members only stream where we just talk with just our members on the stream so that, it's more like whatever you call it, it's little more intimate setting. Okay, let's start today's episode. Today's episode is fun at so many levels because, first of all, the guest is somebody I have worked with so many years and I've always had so much fun. We have done the most random things together in the last many, many years. And I was very, very excited to have him on this series. And we are talking about a movie which obviously both of us are very excited, but I'm also slightly, what's the word? I'm slightly like, what new can we talk about this movie? We are talking about Andaz Apna Apna. Let me call the guest, Varun Thakur.
अच्छा है अरे किधर है?
अरे अच्छा
हाँ, व्हाट
है,
अप व्हाट अप व्हाट अप व्हाट अप
अच्छा है.
कैसा है मेरे भाई?
The Varuns are live.
हेलो टू ऑल केवी मेंबर्स.
Yes. Hello, hello, all members. Varun, I mean, जो मैं डाउट अभी बोल रहा था, I just want to repeat that. कि we've
हाँ
spoken about अंदाज अपना अपना so much in life.
हाँ
Sure, you,
हाँ.
me, everywhere. कि अभी नया क्या बोले? But I want
नहीं,
your first reaction. When I say अंदाज अपना अपना, what do you think?
फॉर मी बेस्ट मूवी. बेस्ट, यू नो व्हेन पीपल आस्क अरे तेरा फेवरेट बॉलीवुड मूवी कौन सा है, अपन हमेशा सोचते हैं नॉट जस्ट बॉलीवुड, यू आस्क एनीथिंग तेरा फेवरेट ये क्या है वो कहते कोई एक सेकंड लगता है. डूड, फॉर मी व्हेन यू से मूवी अंदाज अपना अपना जस्ट
Hmm.
falls out of my mouth without even thinking. I mean, granted, there are a fuck ton of other movies we all love, like, watch, but I think for me, like the impact and Andaz Apna Apna has had on the comedic side of me is I think more than any other movie has had.
Yeah.
Like अगर मैं तेरे को पूछूं कि ब्रो तेरे को याद है क्या तूने 95 में या 94 में कौन सा पिक्चर देखा था,
Hmm.
अपन 7 साल 6 साल
Hmm.
के
Hmm.
होंगे उस टाइम पे, you're not going to remember everything.
Hmm.
And I remember watching Andaz Apna Apna. I remember because at that age I was staying in Andheri East with my
Hmm.
family और वहां
Hmm.
पर एक थिएटर था पिंकी.
Pinky.
पिंकी. तो
Pinky. Okay.
पिंकी में मैंने समोसा खाते खाते थम्स अप पीते पीते वो थम्स अप या कोक जो भी, आई माइट नॉट
Hmm.
रिमेम्बर दैट बट आई रिमेम्बर sitting and watching and enjoying Andaz Apna Apna, even though I was 7.
Hmm.
Obviously, you don't get the context, you won't get the
Hmm.
this about certain jokes, but even as a 7-year-old watching or 8-year-old watching that movie, I remember having fun. And
Hmm.
then उसके बाद I think from year 8 to year 37, मैं
Hmm.
साल में एक बार तो मिनिमम देखा ही है. इनफैक्ट विद द एडवेंट ऑफ इंटरनेट एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट वेयर आई कुड जस्ट I've
Hmm.
probably seen it more than one time in a year,
Yeah. Yeah.
right? And I think it's that one sort of a movie where it's not something new to talk about, but just revel in the
Yeah.
nostalgia of
Yeah.
it. That is
Yeah.
fun for me. Like with my closest boys, there
Hmm.
was a time when we used to reenact the movie.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Like there's a really close friend for me. Actually, sorry, little serious,
Ah,
but
yeah. Yeah.
there's a there was a very close friend of mine, Raji, and unfortunately passed away. And every time I think or I talk about Andaz Apna Apna, he comes to my mind instantly because I don't think there are bigger fans of Andaz Apna Apna than the two of us.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
बोलते बोलते काटे आ रहे हैं यार सोचते हुए, because and you know a movie I already like, now it's gotten even more meaningful and special because of my relationship with my friend Raj. And you know हम लोग बैठ के पूरा मूवी एनाक्ट करते थे यार, एक
Yeah.
एक डायलॉग देखते वक्त भी हम लोग कर रहे हैं. You know,
Hmm.
like it was, we started using the phrases and this from the
Hmm.
movie in our day-to-day life.
Hmm.
तो
Hmm.
खाना खाने कह रहे खाना कैसा है, अच्छा है
Oh,
मतलब you would just do it for no reason. I'm giving you an example वैसे.
yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I think it's a fucking complete movie.
yeah.
Even though there are so many flaws that you see,
Yeah,
ना कि सलमान
yeah,
एक सीन में छोटे बाल है,
yeah.
कट टू दूसरे सीन में लंबे बाल, no fucks given. मतलब
Continuity.
तो
Fuck.
किसे भाड़ में जा भाई, क्या कंटिन्यूटी, मजा आ रहा है ना पिक्चर
Yeah,
देखने में,
yeah,
मजाक
yeah,
कर तू. एंड आई
yeah,
डोंट थिंक एनीबॉडी इज अरे बाल ऐसे, अरे हट, नहीं फर्क पड़ता है भाई,
yeah,
you know. And
yeah,
sometimes what is shocking is when you see directed by Rajkumar Santoshi.
yeah, yeah,
As film nerds, you followed his work. He's one of the best directors in the country. I pretty much loved every single movie he
yeah,
has ever made,
yeah.
right? And you would associate him with like serious, कि यार
Mm,
अब एकदम gritty कुछ बनाएगा. You know, your
mm.
Ghayal Ghatak was him, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Then
Ghayal, Ghatak, yeah, yeah.
Khaki, like Legend of Bhagat
Baki,
Singh, like.
Damini, yeah.
और ये सब के
Pukara,
बीच में तो एक अंदाज अपना अपना डाल देगा. आई
yeah,
थिंक दैट स्पीक्स सो मच अबाउट हिज टैलेंट एज अ डायरेक्टर कि भाई मैं तेरे को एक सोशल ड्रामा वाला कर रहा हूं और ये इररेवरेंट
yeah,
फकिंग बॉल्स टू द वॉल्स, हम लोग मजा कर रहे हैं शूट करते वक्त, कॉमेडी बना रहा हूं मैं तुम लोगों के लिए.
yeah.
And I have followed that sort of a principle. Like, although I wasn't on set in that movie, I wasn't an AD, nothing, but
Mm,
I can just imagine the fun that they must have had.
mm.
And that's what I try to replicate in any of my work that I do, be it sketches, be it
Yeah,
reels, or be it Shaitan Haveli when I did. Like,
yeah, yeah.
that was the vibe. It's just people coming together, having a great time, and that great time reflects on
Mm,
so for that and many other reasons, I think Andaz Apna Apna was firstly way ahead of its time, bro. And
super. Yeah,
set
yeah,
this template for comedies. तू
yeah.
बाकी इतने सारे अपने comedy देख,
Mm,
everyone has a slight ode
mm,
to
mm,
Andaz Apna, you
mm,
know, in its own way, if you really sit down to deconstruct it.
mm.
So
Wow. Yes, I also want to start with my introductory remarks.
sorry,
Unlike
मैं
you,
बहुत बात किया.
नहीं नहीं
Sorry.
नहीं, यही टेम्पलेट है, of course. Unlike you, Varun, I never saw Andaz Apna Apna in theater.
Hmm.
Okay, I hadn't heard of the movie, in fact, because I was in hostel when when the movie came out, 1994, 4th November. Okay, November 9th. So it's
Hmm.
30 years of Andaz Apna Apna this year. Oh my
Oh
God.
wow.
Okay, just realized. Okay, so एक बार क्या हुआ? I think नया नया केबल लगा था घर पे, ऐसा
हाँ.
कुछ 98, 99, 2000, some कुछ महीने के लिए केबल आया था, ऐसा कुछ हुआ था. And my younger sister and I were obsessed.
हाँ.
Imagine, kids these days will not relate, but जब केबल आया तो माइंड ब्लो हो गया था. That's a different topic only. अलग अलग चैनल पे कुछ 24 घंटे कुछ कुछ चलता रहता है. Guys, क्या हो रहा है?
Yeah.
Anyway, we stumbled upon Andaz Apna Apna. So it was already on. Okay, so I think
हाँ.
second half चल रहा था. And that kid, me and my
Hmm.
sister, we couldn't believe what we were watching. Because
Hmm.
we were like, okay, we had certain images of Salman Khan, Amir Khan, right?
Yeah.
हम बच्चे की तरह देख रहे हैं. And second half, when the climax came, we just couldn't believe what we were watching. Like that is
Yeah.
that part where, Salman ऊपर जाता है, ऐसे ऐसे करता है और हाथ में रस्सी आ जाता है. We were
हाँ.
like, what is happening? Because this is a Salman we've just seen in Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya. And that is our Salman Khan, and Amir Khan we've just seen Gulam and all those. It's like kya chal raha hai? And then life has never been the same. Just like you, Varun, favorite movie of all time, somebody asked me, it will be Andaz Apna Apna. A movie I've seen maximum number of times has to be Andaz Apna Apna. And then it's very special for Rahul and me, just like for you, there is a
हाँ.
special with a friend.
Yeah.
Rahul and I, when we met, amongst many other things that made us close friends that we are, was Andaz Apna Apna. Also, because see, now that Andaz Apna Apna has become this cult and everyone talks about it,
Hmm.
etc., etc. But most Andaz Apna Apna, you ask somebody and they'll be like, "Arey, Teja Mehumar kidhar hai?
हाँ.
Ravina kaun, Karishma kaun,
हाँ.
etc." But things like these, acha hai. You know what I mean?
The smallest, bro. It's
Honestly,
throwaways.
it's just crazy. I'll give you another small example. Okay, there is a scene in the movie, of course, when they go and tell them कि यार वो uncle kidnap हो गए and all that, and they think कि तुमने ही kidnap किया, तुम नाटक कर रहे हो, right? So उनको they are like हाँ आ जाएंगे, right?
हाँ.
And Amar Prem are like बैठो, इनको टेंशन क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? So then they are like अरे तुम्हारे uncle, all that happens, ठीक है?
हाँ.
And there's a small part in that scene where Amar and Prem tell each other कि छोड़ना यार, इनका अंकल है, इनको
इनको फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है तो अपने को क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है.
एप्पल अच्छा.
Bro, bro, ये सलमान से चल बैठ के खाते एप्पल अच्छे लग रहे.
एप्पल अच्छा.
Just I'm like, bro, where is this Salman? Where is this Salman? I love that Salman, bro. It's just apple अच्छे करके खाता है, dude. It's the small things. It is small.
Till date, bro. Every time Rahul and I are on a client call or a shoot or a corporate show where we sometimes as an artist you tend to give input, right? कि,
Yeah.
you know, ऐसा है ना कि sketch में ना आपका brand में से something like that. And they're like, no, no, we'll shoot like this and all that. We look at each other like, छोड़ना यार. इनका अंकल है, इनको टेंशन. एप्पल अच्छे.
Well, अच्छे लग रहे. Dude, that's like just Paresh Rawal, bro. Paresh Rawal, like that man he's an institution in himself.
Yeah.
I don't know how much of what he did was actually on paper. Like I want to get my hands on the script and just go into his mind to be like, I will, like, the lines are funny as they are, but there is certain delivery, you know, that slight twitch in the face, that facial expression, that sort of elevation of tone, that small nuances, like that's acting academy right in front of you, like a one man fucking acting institute, dude. He is so good.
That
मेरा
is such
मेरा
a
boss कौन है?
मेरा boss कौन है? So what I mean, Varun, you've raised a fantastic point because every time I think of Andaz Apna Apna, I'm like, you know, sometimes great pieces of art, they just, I think it just happens. I don't
Yeah.
think like anybody could have written this movie. I'll give you another
Yeah.
small example that
Yeah.
Rahul has quote. Is that small scene where करिश्मा कपूर पीछे से आती है, वो सोफे पे पैर रख के नीचे चली जाती है, एंड आमिर खान ऐसा रैंड कर रहा है, बोलता है कि एक तो नौकरानी होके सोफे पे चढ़ती है. I don't think anybody could have written एक तो नौकरानी होके सोफे पे चढ़ती है.
I think it's improvised. I think a lot of these things now just get, because in that mood, in that moment, and when everything inherently is already so funny that as actors, I think performance wise, अपन ने sketches भी किया ना, कितने बार एक throwaway line आ जाती है which we deliver in a certain way in the moment that you can't pre-script right, और तेरे को उसका एक ही take मिलेगा genuine वाला.
Yeah, yeah.
और अगर तेरे को उसमें नहीं मिला है and you try to replicate it, never has that same impact.
Yeah,
you know, and a lot of these lines are like that. कि फट करके बोलते हैं and they've caught it. I mean, I'm assuming that. Also, fucking Shakti Kapoor.
Oh my God.
Dude, if there is a, like, you think Shakti Kapoor, you're like, oh, वो villain का role कर रहा है, लड़की पे attack कर, you know, that quintessential Shakti Kapoor, ठरकी villain stereotype.
Yeah.
I mean, a lot of it is true. He has played those characters, but for Rajkumar Santoshi to take that sort of a persona of an actor, give him a go-go. Crime Master go-go, and for Shakti Kapoor to bring that, you know, when he says Crime Master go-go, there's that extra which तू लिखा किधर है? तू लिखा नहीं है, ये एक्टर है, ये एक्टर है. And it is these small fucking random things that just elevate the movie, bro.
You got
it's just, bro, hey, तेरा वो खोटे, विजू खोटे है ना? विजू खोटे,
yeah.
विजू खोटे and जो Lion.
Ajit San. Oh my God. Ajit San, who plays his father. Till date, there is no, like, आज तक Rahul and me and another group that we have, आज तक हमने हैप्पी बर्थडे वरुण बोला ही नहीं है. हमेशा हैप्पी बर्थडे रैबिट ही बोला है. किसी का भी बर्थडे हो.
रैबिट, सर मेरे पास आइडिया. His frustration at the severe lack of abilities of his henchmen and that anger the way he brings out. Also, bro, you know, if you think about it, it's, I mean, I'm sure a lot of movies after that have done it. But Andaz Apna Apna, in my opinion, at least in my knowledge of what I like, I've seen that it was one of the first movies to do that, be self-referential, you know, like have a lot of pop culture elements included. Like your lead actresses are Karishma Kapoor and Raveena Tandon, and they are called Karishma and Raveena. Even something as small a detail as that is like, oh, you know, it's like a nod to yourself. You know, or where they'll, like, the fact that guy is playing Lion Ajit ka duplicate.
Yeah.
ये हो जाएगा, no problem. मेरे नए प्लान के मुताबिक, you know, like plan.
But yeah, I mean, you associate these pop culture references with, like, you know, new age Hollywood comedies, but so many of these, Varun, like, for example, when Amir Khan goes to that jail and he cuts that ribbon, the background music is Papa, and you're like, my God. And then like Sholay dekhiye na, हाँ, इसके बाप ने लिखी है. Oh my God. I mean,
classic.
Oh my God.
तो एक दो और reference थे, which now in today's age when you look at it, they are slightly racist.
Yeah. I know
the one. You know which?
I know one is that
Which
Uni ka
again,
waiter that
but
was
वो टाइम
talking.
पे हंसे थे देख के,
Yeah, yeah,
because
yeah,
you know society was different. What you thought was right or wrong was
yeah,
different. अभी now
yeah,
obviously we bettered that, but
yeah,
उन लोगों ने वो भी डाल दिया. Dude,
yeah.
Mahmood, that just he is killing it. You know, getting actual
मैं
actresses, Lee
मैं
Chawla.
मैं आपको भी हीरो बनाऊंगा अंकल अब.
Dude, क्या है देवेन वर्मा? You know,
Yeah,
all of these guys just come and ये सब दिग्गज एक्टर है भाई. ये पुराने चावल है एक्टर.
yeah, yeah.
ठीक
Jagdeep.
है. हाँ,
Jagdeep is playing
जगदीप,
smart
bro.
father.
Just how they've utilized these great fucking legends
Yeah,
into and like given them proper parts. It's not like it's a random coach.
yeah,
It's integral to the way they've done it.
yeah,
तेरा
yeah.
क्लासिक टीकू तलसानिया या कुछ भी. Okay.
बस एक रिबन काटने वाले की जरूरत है. Okay, Varun, every 10-12 minutes, and we'll anyway end in like 40-45 minutes. I'll go to the chat and see if our members have to say something, and then we'll take it from there. Hello to Subhashmit, Fuzail, Nikunj. Probably the first Hindi movie with so many pop culture references, says Nikunj. Yes, we just covered that. Abhishek says, Aila, Oima. Every Senadu movie is a meme. Yes, Fuzail, that is correct. Most easily quotable Hindi movie of all time. Yes, yes, and we are
Yes,
quoting it
for sure.
every second line. Abhishek says, stand aside, Superman, Batman, and Darth Vader. Your cape is no match for Gogo ji ka ghagra. That is correct. I want to take it from here and ask Varun, did you see this recent Rajkumar Santoshi clip where he says there was this full character that they had written and maybe even shot with Amrish Puri? Did you see this new interview? Okay,
No.
I'll tell you the summary. I'll send you the link later. Basically, they had cast Amrish Puri as
मोगैम्बो का भतीजा.
yeah, so he's Mogambo ka.
Oh,
So there was Mogambo का full spoof with Amrish Puri where वो खुशी नहीं होता है. वो खुश नहीं होता है. So there was full character of Amrish Puri saying Mogambo खुशी नहीं हो रहा है. Everybody trying to
भाई.
please him.
No, ये अभी भी
And
फनी है. ये
yeah,
अभी भी फनी है.
and that Gogo is his bhatija. Mogambo.
Too funny.
Okay, most
Just sounds.
me and
गोगो
friends
जी
tell
आपका
them,
घाघरा.
Gogo जी आपका small things यार. क्या है वो?
ये
सीढ़ी.
ये ये अमर और प्रेम हाथ ऊपर करके उसके पीछे क्यों चल.
Gogo जी
Hands up.
आपका hands up. Fuzail says, me and friends still wish happy birthday, Robert Giorgio. Yes, I know, and every birthday party has a Sharbate Jannat.
ओके,
First
जो
memory
भी
was
इसे पीता है वो खुदा के कुछ.
Abhishek says, who can forget the legendary striker Amar from Mohan Bagan scoring 6 goals in a match? Of course, of course. It still baffles me that the movie was a flop on box office, says Nikunj. सोफे पे
या
चढ़ती है, read somewhere Luna scene was improvised. Pilan के मुताबिक and Batla Danny. Okay, great references. Yes, Varun, so the movie was a semi-hit at
हाँ,
best. And movie had this amazing star cast, and there are so many stories. कि background में, Karishma and Ravina didn't get along,
वो तो
Salman
क्लासिक.
Khan didn't get along, and they shot for many years, which is one other reason why Salman's hair kept changing in every scene.
करेक्ट.
I read this crazy trivia recently, Varun. If you don't know, it will blow your mind. If you know, then anyway, great
हाँ.
to revisit. So basically, that Govinda scene was supposedly to be done by Sunny Deol. Okay.
Oh,
So because Sunny and Rajkumar Santoshi, yeah, I mean, Ghayal, Ghatak, Damini, they 3 blockbusters with him. So he wanted one cameo by Sunny Deol. They were shooting in Film City. Okay, I'm getting goosebumps in trivia. They were shooting in Film City, and Sunny Deol was in town. Classic Mumbai traffic, nothing has changed in 30 years. Sunny Deol got late, and he's like, Raj, bhai, मैं थोड़ा late हो रहा हूँ, ये ऐसा वैसा. And Rajkumar Santoshi like, भाई, मेरे पास time नहीं है. So he asked his AD to check which actor is shooting in Film City. So they
wow.
went around and they found Govinda, and they came in that Govinda is shooting in like fucking cameo by Govinda. So that whole scene of like, अरे आप तो अमर अच्छे दिखते हैं फिल्मों में काम, सुभाष
हाँ.
जी, all that was supposed to be Sunny Deol. It was
Oh,
Govinda.
dude, that's nuts.
That's nuts, man.
You know,
Crazy.
like ये मेरे पास भी एक दो थे. मैंने किधर पढ़ा था कि शक्ति कपूर का नाम जब क्रेडिट्स में आता है ना,
हम्म.
उन लोग ने एस के जगह पे टी डाला है. Said became Thakte Kapoor.
Yeah.
Insane, bro. Like like there's that. I mean, the most memorable scene of फिरौती के पैसे की मैयत का चंदा है,
हम्म.
ब्रो. मतलब हम लोग अपने चैनल के मेंबरशिप को बोलने वाले थे अलग टीयर्स में, गोइंग टू बी कॉल्ड फिरौती के पैसे मैयत का चंदा.
Please do it. Please. It's the funniest thing ever. That reminds me, Varun, one of our options when Rahul and I starting our YouTube channel back in the day was Amar Prem.
Oh yeah, fuck, that would have been great, bro.
Yeah, man. But yeah, anyway. हाँ.
वो पूरा जो लूना वाला सीन है ना, जो क्लासिक फिल्म सिटी में हनुमान मंदिर, वो एक रास्ता जो स्लोप होते हुए
Yeah.
कितना शूट हुआ है, that has evolved into becoming different mandirs over the years.
Yeah.
But that entire scene,
Yeah.
Paresh Rawal, Shahbaz Khan, Shadab Khan, whatever Chota Lion's name is, Riju Khote, Amir Khan and Salman Khan.
Yeah. Yeah.
मतलब full, I don't know how they kept a straight face.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know how, because I can't watch that scene without like 30 साल से देख रहे हैं यार.
Yeah.
30 साल से
आप बोल
देखने के
रहे
बाद
हो,
भी
आप एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हो और पीछे बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक दिमाग में चट्टा एनीवे सर.
मैंने 50 लाख मांगे थे और ये थैली में 50 लाख आए.
लगता
सर
है
8 लाख की 50 चेक होंगे सर. चुप कर रबिट. I love, like that frustration in comedy. It's
Yeah.
the most basic this, but it gives you the most laughter. Akshay Kumar, dekh, another guy who does frustrated and takes out anger on subordinate or the sidey is Akshay Kumar, and every movie he does it. Every movie it's funny.
Yeah. Yeah.
Every movie it's funny. Uncle
Yeah.
Dandi, uncle गोदी पे है, ये गोदी पे. चल चल नीचे उतर गोदी वाली. Bro, मतलब तू कितने बार इसके बारे में बात किया है तूने, ये सीन किया. जब भी मैं कभी बाइक पे हुआ हूं ना और कोई भी आके बैठता है तो आई कैन नॉट डू सीन. Whether the person wants to do it or not is secondary. I am doing it.
Correct.
If you get it, you get it. If you don't get it, you'll ask me, like, चुतिया क्या कर रहा है? What do you say? अगर तेरे को नहीं याद है, तेरे को नहीं मालूम है, इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, बट एक बाइक बैठ के गोदी में आई है, डंडी में बैठी है, कैसे नहीं करेगा ब्रो?
Absolutely. And this whole thing of, I think what also sets अंदाज अपना part in so many ways is this whole thing कि अगर बॉस जो है, ठीक है, परेश रावल in this case, तेजा, that Paresh Rawal with his two flunkies. Now every time when he says कि चुप कर Robert, so they are not doing the type thing which is very 80s 90s Hindi comedy. वैसे नहीं है. They are in character. It's still that मेरे नए पिलान के मुताबिक. They are so self-assured, both of them.
They are not housefulling it.
They are not housefulling it.
बेवजह का कुछ कर रहे नहीं है bro. And I think one thing that the other thing actually is what makes it such a special movie. Nobody in the last 30 years, I'm sure every single movie lover, wanna be director, wanna be actor, writer, whatever, has some point of time thought कि यार इसका एक कुछ बना सकते हैं क्या, sequel या फिर like a prequel या updated, because why would you not? But it's almost untouchable, bro. Because I can't think a single actor from the newer crop. Who I'd be like, नहीं इसमें एक काम कर, इसमें कार्तिक आर्यन और इसको नहीं. Like अगर अभी भी by any chance अगर अंदाज अपना बनता है, it should be Amar and Prem at 60 years old. If any, get the two guys back. You have to have Amir, you have to have Salman. And I think, bro, I personally have thought so much कि यार अगर इसका बनता sequel, इसका कुछ एक update तो क्या होता. Dude, come off so short कि नहीं भाई मत हाथ लगा. नहीं, that is hallmark of greatness where तू टच ही नहीं कर सकता वापस. यही है. Like हेरा फेरी, you can't update a हेरा फेरी and do it. You can't touch it. You can't touch it.
Every time I read a news, ना जैसे your comment कि यार अंदाज अपना 2 or remake, I get scared as a fan. Please don't touch it, brother. Please just रहने दे. You can't do this, Jamila. क्या झकास. You can't.
मैं बीच में एक टाइम में सोचता कि अगर रणबीर और रणवीर के साथ लेके किया, you get somebody really nice to write it, some good guy, fucking get Santoshi back if you have to, because I think he'll only be able to get रणवीर को अगर ऐसे किया तो शायद to a certain extent I feel, because they still have that somewhat star aura. I mean, not what Salman and Amir But like they are still big stars, bro. Ranveer and Ranveer are both, and plus it'll be a casting coup if you get these two guys together. Plus you're getting them to do comedy, which means pura mass family, सब लोग आ सकते हैं. So it'll be quite cool. कि अगर उन लोग, but I don't think कोई nobody wants to touch it, क्योंकि अगर तू इतना सा भी नीचे ऊपर हुआ ना, बाकी जो एक्चुअल फैंस है ना बजा देंगे भाई मूवी. उन लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर देंगे, बोलेंगे नहीं
एंड
निकालो
इट्स आल्सो व्हाट वी डिस्कस नो. अगर ऐसा होता ना कि ये स्क्रिप्ट है, ये फिल्म है, उसको ये तुम वो मोमेंट्स कैसे रिक्रिएट करोगे यार?
नहीं
हाउ वुड यू डू कि जमाइला तू कौन है, दिस स्मॉल थिंग लाइक आइला गोविंदा, जमाइला तू कौन है, लाइक इसको तू कैसे रीमेक करेगा यार? अरे नहीं मुझे फोन आ रहे हैं, अरे बड़े बड़े डायरेक्टर बोल रहे, he just leaves, गोविंदा leaves.
ये the entire scene of them in the bus. ये कैब तुमने न्यूयॉर्क से लिए? नहीं अमेरिका से. ऐसा लगता है सर्कस का रिटायर्ड बंदर है. all of those things. It's classic. It's classic. Can't touch it. तो जैसा है वैसे ही रहने दो, देखते रहो. जब भी मन वापस सॉन्ग्स ब्रो, दो मस्त सितारे चले जिंदगी बनाने बंदे, ऐसा ये रात और ब्रो I still sing these songs. Still sing it. Illo, Baap gaane, bro. So it has that, that charm of 90s, which we always keep going back to. Arey yaar, 90s mein, the sound of it has that 90s ka vibe. But still so far ahead of his time that if you just really, he made it in 94 and just released in 2024, it would still work. As is.
Oof.
In fact, ये बहुत पैसे कमाते शायद.
Nikun says, by the way, Andaz Apna Apna was promoted in Damini, where a random fan asked Amir Khan about the release of the movie. Yes, I posted an Insta story about it when I was reading Damini. उसमें जो आमिर खान का स्पेशल अपीयरेंस है, वो जो पूरा गाना है विद मीनाक्षी सादरी, यानी कम्स आउट इन द प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस. ऋषि कपूर उधर खड़ा है, देख रहे हैं, और वो बोलता है कि सो आमिर जी, अभी कोई नई फिल्म आने वाली है? हाँ, अभी एक अगली फिल्म आने वाली है, अंदाज अपना अपना. अरे ओ माय गॉड, राजकुमार संतोषी यूनिवर्स. 8,535 रुपए और 29 पैसे से अभिषेक. Shahzad Khan podcast interview with Cyrus is hilarious. Oh, we haven't seen this. We'll check it out.
What, really?
Yeah. Apparently, Shahzad Khan has come on Cyrus's interview. Okay. Amount Amar Prem paid as Firoti is the tax rebate from the budget. Oh, Abhishek.
Nice one. बना दो भाई. Whoever has put this, make that meme right now. और उसपे तेजा के सर के ऊपर FM लिख दो.
Okay.
ये देख. अरे कब से बोल रहा थे उसको?
क्या छोटी चीज है उसके पहले की. अरे डरता है क्या?
अरे नहीं, बस थोड़ा सा घबराता हूँ. अबे डरता क्यों है? मैं हूं ना तेरे साथ. अरे डराते क्यों है? क्या ब्रो, मतलब ये मैं अपन है ना, लिटरली ये स्ट्रीम टू स्टार्टिंग के एंड तक ना अपन पूरा मूवी कर सकते हैं. लिटरली बैठ के डायलॉग, एक्ट आउट, एक्टिंग, गाने, सब कुछ.
Randomly याद आ गया that when Amir goes to his father Devin Verma to pitch that वो दुकान बेच देना चाहिए, वो ऐसा, and he is daydreaming, right? कि imagine उनकी हाथ की चूड़ी नरम नरम हाथ में आपके, ये वो, and then out of nowhere they give to flashback with सूट बूट ये वो, and then Amir Khan, कैसा लग रहा है? अच्छा लग रहा है.
अच्छा. Suddenly the rich हो गया ना. And bro, how did we forget to mention the classic scene in the jail when Safed Ramu calls Teja? He's like, ठीक है, मैं सारे जायदाद तुम्हारे हवाले कर दूंगा. He's like, वाह भैया. और फिर उसके बाद वो थॉट पे चला जाता ना कि मैं मुर्गियों का फार्म खोलूंगा, पोल्ट्री फार्म. ऑमलेट के लिए ब्रेड भी मैं ही बनाऊंगा, ब्रेड का बादशाह और आमलेट का राजा बजाज, हमारा बजाज. भैया साले मेरे मेहनत की कमाई से ऑमलेट बनाएगा, साले पाऊ वाला. उसको लात पाके चल.
You see also while this guy is making his big entrepreneurial plans, पीछे उसका रिएक्शन भी आ रहा है साथ में, the other परिचाल. वैसे सुन रहा
हाँ ब्रो, मेरे को लगता है अभी स्ट्रीम के बाद जाके देखना पड़ेगा.
100%. मैं तो सोच रहा था पहले देखने का, then I was like नहीं, मैं पक्का इसके बाद देखूंगा वापस. I can't. Okay, Varun, top of the mind favorite character
in अंदाज अपना. तेजा ब्रो.
Teja, oh my god, तेजा
तेजा
की एंट्री कैसी, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो कि भाई ये डबल रोल का भी सीन है
डबल रोल
तेजा
होने
का।
वाला है,
अरे
हाँ।
अरे भाई, एंड देन यू सी वन श्याम, द गाय एकदम सब कुछ टाइम से टाइम होना चाहिए,
हाँ
ऐसा वैसा, एंड सडनली यू सी तेजा। एक अगेन वन स्मॉल थिंग इज कि गलती से मैंने उसके बेसिकली उसके पापा को मार दिया था, मुंशी को।
हाँ।
अच्छा हुआ है, बहुत धर्म करम की बातें करते हो, बहुत पका दो।
He's played the two guys so well. You
टू
know,
वेल।
same guy, but इतना उसने जो different 9:26 जो उसका टाइम, shut up, उसका था ना shut up, ये
टक्कर डालने का टाइम हो गया क्या? Shut up. And like you said, Varun, Paresh Rawal in the 90s. Okay, a lot of times when you look at movies, guys, I'm talking to the audience, you have to also see the movie in the context of when it came out. Paresh Rawal before this was an out and out like a villain person. Like ऐसे गंजा होके फिल्मों में he used to be like one
हम्म,
of those मोहरा and like वो सब चल रहा था उनका. Out of nowhere he comes in अंदाज अपना अपना, and I think that is the first truly like comedic role that he did, which he
yeah,
obviously perfected over many years with Hera Fairy
yeah,
and like you said, Shakti Kapoor, same. Recast in such weird, or most of these actors have not done a movie like this in their entire career.
career, yeah,
Like 20, 30, 40 years.
yeah,
You haven't seen Salman like this anywhere else. You haven't seen Amir like this anywhere else.
yeah,
Oh, that's insane. And like even Shakti Kapoor, like you said, that 70s, 80s, Ranjit, Shakti Kapoor is the same category you would put in. Then he did
yeah,
slight comedy with David Dhawan in Raja Babu and all that. Slight.
हाँ, हाँ.
वो थोड़ा सा it was happening.
Yeah, I don't know how I forgot that. Yeah, obviously a
Yeah,
lot of like Shakti, actually more than Rajkumar Santoshi, I think the credit should go to David Dhawan because देखो David Dhawan, शोला शबनम वो सब में भी या आंखें में भी शक्ति कपूर was a villain.
Hmm.
Only Raja Babu he was your comic.
You made him something else only in Raja
कुछ
Babu.
भी था bro. I think I'm telling you ना, एक उसने लिखा कुछ,
Hmm.
एक जब भी उसकी मूंछ वूछ लगाए वो बना कुछ, फिर शक्ति कपूर ने उसको लेके किया कुछ और ही.
Yeah,
Like
and this is what.
his comedy portrayal became, hey, मैं तोतला है. That
हाँ.
became a thing कि अभी मैं वो करके करूंगा comedy. But like that, what he did with the Go-Go, it was never before seen. I don't remember seeing something like that.
Yeah.
Where you take your quintessential villain का ये, but you make him funny. साइकिल पे आके चोरी करके तुमका कपड़ा चोरी करके जाता है. Bro, ये सब
खानदानी चोर हूँ, कुछ तो चुराऊंगा क्या? लास्ट में वो एकदम रोने लगता है जब उसको ऐसे ऐसे कर देता है उसके बाल को, और
कुछ तो हीरे तो दे दो. That and entire that last fight sequence, the obviously
yeah,
before this you had a Jaane Bhi Do Yaro, which had that, classic,
classic
it
climax. Yeah.
going wild and different characters are coming और कुछ हो रहा है. फिर तेरे अंदाज अपना अपने में, उसके बाद प्रियदर्शन just made it his, the
हाँ,
प्रियदर्शन climax,
yeah.
जिसमें जितने कैरेक्टर थे मूवी में सब आ जाएंगे क्लाइमैक्स में, सब कुछ इधर क्रिस क्रॉस कनेक्शन हो रहा है. बट इसमें when you see it, the freshness of it, when they do that fake fighting ना कि वो ऐसा करके
Yeah.
dude, we used to do that as kids.
Yeah.
You've done that as a child. Now to see grown ass men doing it, and it's funny. This is
Yeah.
cartoons. You've seen it in a cartoon
Yeah.
where character goes off the ledge
Yeah.
and waits to realize he is off the ledge.
Yeah.
So that's that inspiration that's come out in this. So
Yeah.
बस यार, मतलब जितना बोले उतना कम है. I think
Yeah.
a big part of it goes to just Rajkumar Santoshi for being able to visualize, because you need somebody's vision and then you get other people to come and help you fulfill it. But एक largely एक तो 3 साल मूवी चला है शूटिंग भाई.
Correct.
लगता है सलमान भूल भी गया होगा कि अरे मैं लास्ट में क्या किया था वो
Yeah.
अपना. But he's like, okay, just fuck it, just run with it. And it was great.
And like you started the stream, कि Rajkumar Santoshi's career, you see Ghayal, Ghatak, Damini, Legend
Yeah.
Singer Singh, Pukar, China Gate,
Hmm.
and उस बीच में I don't know, like he did one more comedy later called Ajab Premi Gajab Kahani. Again, you cannot compare that movie with Andhadhapna.
I know. I watched that and I was like,
अगेन सो यार, मतलब कैसे बीच में ऐसा रैंडम फिल्म बना दी? ये कुछ कुछ लक होता है यार वरुण. आई थिंक इट्स वन
yeah,
ऑफ दोस थिंग्स कि बनना था उसको ये वैसा फिल्म होगा कि यार इट
correct.
वाज मेंट टू बी, बिकॉज़ ये आनंद अकेला अकेला ही जाएगा क्या?
हाँ.
अब मैं इस रेस में हूं, तुम थे, अबे तू रेस में था ही को.
तू कभी गुस्सा You know that famous picture where वो बस वाला सीन हो रहा है जब ये टोपी अमेरिका से नहीं न्यूयॉर्क से वो वाला चल रहा है. There's a dude at the back who looks like शशि थरूर. वो इतने साल चला है कि आई थिंक शशि थरूर had to come out and clarify कि
Yeah.
नहीं मैं नहीं था.
Yeah.
मैं नहीं था. अंदाज अपना अपना में वो सीन में.
Oh my God. Okay, we'll go to the audience one last time before we end this because both Varun and I can talk about अपना अपना all night moment. अमर प्रेम मैं तो कह रहा हूँ कि आप पुरुष ही नहीं है महापुरुष है. Another
महापुरुष
iconic,
है भाई.
iconic.
भाई भाई.
These lines.
आई कांट बिलीव हम लोग वो भूल गए भाई. दैट वाज आप तो अंतर्यामी है स्वामी है.
And you know, he's also reacting. That's what makes the scene beautiful.
When Gogo starts doing it, बल्कि मैं तो पुरुष ही नहीं हूँ. And then वो हमेशा वो प्रकट होता है देखा है तूने. There's that sound of दूर से आके गिर रहा है. Like and you're doing the sound from your mouth. It's not a sound that is being pre-recorded, right? करके आ रहा है. Bro, just to continuously do that. मैं अगर सेट पे होता मैं नहीं रख सकता सीधा फेस. Bro, मैं तो हंस के लोट पोट होके गिर गया होता.
Yeah, so you have Amir Salman, you have Ravina Karishma, you have these iconic actors like Shakti Kapoor, Paresh Rawal, support cast. You have these cameos. We forgot Juhi Chawla cameos. I want to talk about that quickly. And you know, Varun, another example. There is that scene where he says कि आजकल तुम सनी के साथ कुछ ज्यादा ही फिल्में कर रही हो. That was also written because there was a Sunny Deol cameo. But they didn't remove that line. So, आजकल then she says कि लोगों को हमारी जोड़ी को ज्यादा ही पसंद है. You know that? मैं तुम्हें तन मन और धन से आईला जूही चावला मतलब what? Then there is of course the other generation के जगदीप and Devin Verma and Mahmood with his Wawa production.
Wawa production, bro.
Okay. मैं अमिताभ से ही बात हुई क्या? नहीं हीरो तो तू ही प्ले कर तेरे बाप का.
अच्छा हीरोइन में माधुरी चलेगी.
कूद कूद अरे माधुरी तुम्हारी फोटो दिखा यार ये तुम्हें ढूंढ. And the background music goes cook, 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 cook. You know, this whole thing. Oh my God. I just want to end by asking Varun, like, I think if there is a rare person who is watching this stream later who has not seen Andaz Apna Apna, what is your sales pitch or what is your pitch going to be? Apart from the fact that, what rock are you living under tights? But
yeah, firstly that will be कि भाई तू है कौन और क्यों नहीं देखा है अभी तक. But second would be that if you want to genuinely spend 2.5 hours not thinking about your life's issues, problems, deadlines, and just want to sit and have fun, I don't see any better mood lifter. I mean, there are other comedy movies basis of preference, but if I had to pitch Andaz Apna Apna, it would be that. I think truly iconic cult movie that never disappoints, no matter who you are and where you're from. I mean, obviously, तू गोरा इंसान है तो देख रहे तो तेरे को शायद कॉन्टेक्स्ट नहीं आएगा. वो भी शायद समझ जाए एक टाइम के बाद because there's so much physicality. But if you are an Indian, if you especially if you grew up in the 90s, that there's that weird nostalgic connection to it. It's everything that was good about the 90s.
Yeah.
You know, in a way. So yeah, if you want to go down memory lane, or if you genuinely want to watch a well-written and well-acted comedy, you know, I that's the pitch.
Yeah, 100%. I would, matlab 100%. Like, you know, people talk about things like, oh, don't take yourself too seriously and all that. If there's one movie that really does not take itself seriously, out and out, first frame to last frame, it's like there are comedies where you're like, second half funny hai, like iska ye part funny hai, ye character funny hai, isme kuch everything is funny.
You can't point out one thing. No, you can't point out one thing that is bad.
Yeah.
There's nothing bad.
Yeah, 100%.
You know, कि ये मैं निकाल देता, ये मैं नहीं, ये जैसा है हर एक फ्रेम इसको वैसा ही रहना चाहिए और किसी ने उसको कुछ हाथ नहीं लगा. इनफैक्ट अगर तेरे पास और कुछ एक्स्ट्रा फुटेज है वो भी डाल दे. I wouldn't mind watching 45 minutes more of that.
Yeah, is there the director's cut somewhere?
Director's cut,
Yeah, something some extra scene, bonus scene. If you want to pay, we'll pay to watch.
Feel paid भाई, मैं तो मेंबर बन जाऊंगा राजकुमार संतोषी के यूट्यूब चैनल का कि भाई आप लॉन्च कर दो मेंबरशिप, हम फिरौती के पैसे दे देंगे।
फिरौती के पैसे या मैयत का चंद, लगता है पूरी पी गया। स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग मैं इंडिया के लिए बनाई नहीं। मेरे दोस्त भी ये कहते अमर तू इंडिया के लिए बना ही नहीं। Okay, Varun, always a pleasure. My target was 40 minutes and we've ended this in 40 minutes. Varun, always a pleasure to have you on this channel.
Thank you, bro. Thank you for having me.
And
And
yeah,
you for all members. Hope you guys had fun going down memory lane,
yes,
talking
yes,
about
I'll
Naz
just say,
Afna.
Bacon Baba says Rosie ke haath. Of course, we have to talk about that small scene. When Amir has had a haircut, which or maybe not, because it looks like बाल बिगड़ गए और पता भी नहीं चला. It's the latest French court, you see. लकू पे दी है, बड़ी अंग्रेजी जान रहा है, अबे लल्ले. तुझे पढ़ाया, लिखाया, डराया, धमकाया. Oh my God. TVF has done a sketch on Andaz Apna fandom. Oh, okay.
Really?
Okay.
When?
We'll check. We'll check. Fuzail says two best people to discuss Andaz Apna. Two best would be Amir and Salman, but we are close seconds. But thank you so much, Varun. On that note,
Thank you, bro. Thank you for having me.
Thank
And
you.
yeah, milte hain soon.
Yes, thank you, everyone. All the members who joined, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ending stream, ending stream.